going to read the story for you. Does a giraffe drive? Does a giraffe drive? No. Giraffes walk using both right legs, then both left legs, so their long limbs don't get tangled. When giraffes gallop, their back legs go outside their front legs to prevent them from tripping and falling. Does a donkey drive? No way. Donkeys walk, run, or gallop, but a donkey doesn't drive. A donkey can pull a cart, but it needs a driver to tell it where to go and when to stop. Does a cheetah drive? What a silly idea! A cheetah is the fastest animal on land. A cheetah can run faster than a man or a woman. It can even run faster than some frogs. Spider monkeys can walk on all four. They can climb and swing using their hands and feet. They can stand on their hind feet and leap from one tree to another, but monkeys do not drive or fly like birds or swim like fish. People cannot fly like birds. People cannot swim as well as fish. People cannot gallop like horses or run as fast as cheetahs. Animals move, but only people are smart enough to invent ways to help them move faster and better over longer distances. To cross rivers, swims, and oceans, people made rafts, canoes, small rowboats, ships with sails, and big boats with motors, so that they could travel across the land better and carrying things with them. People use their brains to make carts, wagons, trucks, cars, trains. But people really wanted to fly. First, they went up in the air in big hot air balloon. Then came the first small airplane, which stays in the air for 12 seconds. Many people worked together over many years to figure out how a plane could fly people over long distances. People are always using their brains to think of new ways to get places. What do you think will come next? So, what do you think will come next? I hope you like my story.